Hey, one play at a time. Dominate, fellas. Play your most physical game today. Play for each other. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Hey, everybody. How you doing? Great to see you, sir. You get better looking every day.
What's up, Mr. Kraft? Great to see you. Here we go. We done with the talking. We talk with our fans. All action. We'll talk about it later. Back in on 3, 1, 2, 3. Right.
Always good to see you. Love you. Yep, you too.
Stay warm. Those two plays, again, we got to do a good job on the play action. Get vertical. Don't care, get vertical. Get to the quarterback.
Takes the snap. Jimmy fires it wide, slant to Adams, makes the catch.
Got it!
Knocked
There it is!
Peppers, and it carries to Tavai. And the Patriots finally with another takeaway.
They go for that. Great play, boy.
Nice play.
Great play, work. Let's go. See, I see what you see. I was about to say throw it early, but no, because that's smart, bro. That's a good job, bro.
Takes the snap on second down and 6. Throws it left. And a catch by Bourne.
KB.
Passes away. Runs it right across the 50. To the 45-40. Kendrick is
There you go.
tripped up. And he stumbles, falling inside the 30. Ryland's kick headed to the uprights. And the kick is good. And the Patriots are on the board.
Going in the box. Hey, I dodged you. You know these safeties don't want to tackle once we get to the second level.
We're in the pistol.
And now
we
the
don't
league
operate
coming
out of
in.
the pistol.
Zeke runs it through the left side, fighting into the end zone.
There you go.
Touchdown, Patriots!
It's exactly like we designed it on the griddle.
Come on, baby.
Now's the time.
Stevenson in the backfield, takes the handoff, runs it left, he's in with a dive. Touchdown, Patriots. Rhamondre Stevenson, back home in Las Vegas.
Great job, Mo. Great job. Great job, guys.
Gives it to Jacobs, runs up the middle, he's hit at the line, and he's dropped, swarmed under by the Patriots. Belichick calls timeout on the far side.
No timeout. No timeout.
Parker to the left, Jones is in the end zone, he'll be sacked by Crosby. He came from the left side of the defense. It's a safety.